Hello everyone. 2026 will change you. Not because the calendar changes, not because the clock strikes midnight, but because you decide to stop living the same life again. Every year we say, this year will be different, but deep down we carry the same habits, the same fear, the same wounds, and slowly years pass. But listen carefully today. 2026 has power to change you only if you let it. You have grown even if no one noticed. You don't react the same way anymore. You don't trust easily anymore. You don't give unlimited chances anymore. Life has taught you many lessons which you had never asked for. Pain changed you, disappointments shaped you, and silence matured you. You are not weaker, you are wiser. And 2026 does not ask you to be perfect, but it asks you to be honest with yourself. You cannot enter a new year holding old pain. You cannot grow while carrying a guilt, regret, and self blame. Some people were lessons, not forever. Some chapters ended for a reason. Some dreams broke to redirect you. Stop replaying old conversations. Stop blaming yourself for things you don't know back then. You survived with the knowledge you have. Let go, not because it did not matter, but because now you matter. Not every transformation is loud. Sometimes growth looks like choosing peace over arguments, choosing rest over proving, choosing silence over explanation. You don't need to announce your goals. You don't need to impress anyone. You need the approval of your. Let 2026 be the year you build yourself. Be quiet, heal privately, grow patiently, move confidently. Because real change does not need any validations. You have been too hard to yourself. You compare your journey with others. You rush your healing. You question your worth. But tell me, would you talk to someone you love the way you talk to yourself? This year, stop fighting with who you are. Start becoming and start supporting with what you want to be in your life. Some days you'll feel very strong, and some days you'll feel lost again. That does not mean you are failing. It means you are a human. This year will gonna change you when you start being kinder to yourself. Choosing yourself will feel uncomfortable. People will not understand you. Some may leave and some may judge you. But growth always feels lonely before it feels peaceful. This year, set boundaries without guilt. Walk away without explaining. Reset without feeling lazy. You are allowed to protect your energy, and you are allowed to start again and choose yourself. Your future self is watching you. Don't disappoint them. Here's the truth. Most of the people don't fear failure. They actually fear the change. Because change asks questions like, what if I outgrow people? What if I choose myself? And what if I try and succeed? Staying the same feels same, even if it hurts. We stay in habits that drain us, and in routines that shrink us, in life that do not feel like our anymore. But 2026 is asking you gently, how long will you stay in a comfortable place that no longer fits you in? Change does not always looks like dramatic. Sometimes it looks like saying no without guilt, letting go without closure, resting without an apology. Sometimes it looks like stepping back, being in a silence and choosing yourself. 2026 will not shout at you, it will whisper. And those who will listen to it can be transformed totally. You don't need a new personality, you actually need an alignment. Letting this year change you does not mean forcing yourself towards the growth. It means listening when your body says rest, walking away when your soul says enough, trying again when fear says don't. It actually means choosing progress over perfection. So, before 2026 moves forward, pause for a moment, take a deep breath, and promise yourself quietly and honestly. In 2026, I will stop fighting myself. I will stop comparing my journey with others. I will stop waiting for validations. I will stop shrinking to fit place I have outgrown. I will choose peace. I will choose consistency, and I will choose me. Not loudly, not for the world, but for my own soul. Because 2026 is not about becoming someone else, it is about becoming who you were meant to be. And 2026 will change you only if you will let it. One day you will look back at 2026 and realize this was the year you softened. This year you healed yourself. This year you stopped running from only yourself. Nothing external changes the overnight. But you did it, and that changed everything. So, if you are listening right now, tired but hopeful, know this: 2026 can transform you only if you let it. If this video reached to your heart, then comment me down. I am letting 2026 change myself. If this message felt personal to you, like this video, share it with someone who needs the reminder. And remember, your change begins the moment you choose yourself. You are not late, you are right on time. That's it for today's video. Thank you